Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Audi A5 S-Line Black Edition that's come in for a dyno, remap and new Armytrix exhaust. So, before we get started on any of the work, let's find out what it's running. After its first run, the Audi is running 227 brake horsepower and 412 newton meters of torque. But we can definitely do better. So let's send the file upstairs and get this car on the ramp. So all the mechanical modifications are done, we've had the new file installed and we've just run it on the dyno. This Audi is now running 268 brake horsepower and 479 newton meters of torque. This has got some serious pull and that new exhaust sounds fantastic. So if you'd like some upgrades for your Audi, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.